Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profitable passive income affiliate commissions have recently come in with Leads Leap. I'll just refresh my page to show you the updated results. My total income now with Leads Leap in this row here is $1,627. If I go onto the button here that says Pro, it brings you up a membership versus Pro comparison. So when you come down here, this just shows you all the different features that you get. I started as a as a free member, but when I come down to the bottom here, it says affiliate commissions in this row here. 25% recurring commission as a free member. The left-hand side is the free column. So even if you join Leads Leap with the free lifetime membership and you start promoting as an affiliate, you can start to earn monthly recurring affiliate commissions. And if you're on a tight budget, then that's what I recommend you do. And that's what I did when I first started. And then when you get enough recurring commissions coming in, you can then upgrade to the Pro. And then the Pro will earn you 50% monthly recurring commissions. So depending on what your budget is, and that's what I recommend that you do. And Leads Leap is free to set up an account, so the link in the description will take you to this page here. Click on Get Your Free Membership. Just select a username, a valid email address, first name, and just create your password and click Sign Up Now. What I like about Leads Leap is it's been online since 2008, and it gives you every single tool, even including traffic, to be able to make money online. And these are all the tools here that you get in the traffic. So come down here, and a time-tested platform and system since 2008, and it evolves through time, and it's very current with all the latest updated tools and features that you need. So it's always kept up to date. I like this section here, which explains exactly how Leads Leap works. So if you want to learn how to get traffic, click on there and it will show you 4 ways Leads Leap gets you traffic and leads. If you want to learn how to start building a list for free, click on there. How to create landing pages so you can start to build an email list. How to create pop-up forms for free. How to track where your income's coming from, your subscribers are coming from, and how to make money for free. And just sign up there. So I'm going to give you a video tutorial training series. I'll come to that shortly, so you can learn how to use this system and all the features that it has. Because sometimes when you go into this members area here down the left hand side, it's very easy to get overwhelmed with all the different features here. So I want to help you get off to the best start possible using Leads Leap, and also how to become successful long term and develop the skills that you need to be able to use each and every one of these features of this superb platform. One of my favourite features is what's called share codes. Now, a share code, I just come down here and show you a share code. This is a share code here. So this is a share code for a lead capture page. This is a share code for the welcome page, which is the page that I'm on now. And these are the share codes for the email follow-up series. Now, there are thousands of Leads Leap members that have created lead capture pages, funnels, email follow-up series, so you don't have to. All you've got to do is get the share code. So let's say, as an example, if you joined me in the Click Engine, or even if you're already a Click Engine member, I would send you the share code for this funnel. And all you would have to do is copy and paste the share code into Leads Leap, and then just put your affiliate links into there. And the whole page, the whole funnel would be completely cloned to you. I even show you the video tutorials down here on how to do that. But it's also in the video tutorial training series that I'm going to give you. So if you're a Click Engine member, you just send me an email. If you haven't joined Click Engine yet, I recommend you do. It's autopilot buyers traffic. But if you're already a member and you want to set up a funnel, then just send me an email and I'll send you the share code and you can have this funnel for free. And this is a lead capture page that I created with Leads Leap. So the prospect opts in here. So you build your email list. Then they get taken to the welcome page. Oops, that's the wrong page. The welcome page here. And then they click there to join and buy. Now, if they don't buy straight away, we've also got an email follow-up series, which is here. Now, the beauty of these share codes is you can even get an email follow-up series from the Leads Leap members. And what you'll see here is the Leads Leap list builder. You can start for free to build an email list. And then if you want to upgrade, you can send out email autoresponder messages. And the important thing about building an email list and sending out emails is the deliverability. So if you look at here in these two columns, in the open column and the click column here, if your email's going into the promotions folder or the spam folder, then no one's going to see it. You're not going to get any opens. You're not going to get any clicks. Excuse me. And then you're not going to make any money because nobody's seen your emails. SendSteed, which is the email autoresponder within Leads Leap, has got a very high deliverability. And you'll see here my open rate is 43% there, and my click-through rate there is 28%. The industry average for a click-through rate is about 5 to 10%. So even when we get to the end of the email series down here, I'm still getting above the industry average, 13% here. So another great feature of the autoresponder is the price. So you pay one fixed price for the whole of Leads Leap Pro membership, and if you were to get 1,000 subscribers, you would pay the same price as if you had when you get 50,000 subscribers. So what you'll find with other autoresponders, and there are some great autoresponders out there, we're not here to say don't use another one, but what happens with a lot of autoresponders is the more subscribers you get, the more monthly price, the higher the monthly price it goes up and you pay. Whereas with Leads Leap and SendSteed, it's one fixed price for unlimited subscribers. You could have 100,000, 200,000, and the price won't go up. The monthly fee won't go up. So that's what I really like about this. Two of the reasons that I joined for the price, deliverability, and getting all the other tools I can use, as well as the autoresponder as well. So just to show you some proof that these tools work, I'm just using the Click Engine here as an example in one of my email lists. I'll go to Warrior Plus and just show you, because I've been using the tools, the Leads Leap tools, the Leads Leap lead capture pages, funnels, email follow-ups to promote these products here, the Click Engine, Click Traffic Cyclone, Traffic Blaster, and you'll see that I've sold 2,758 products using the Leads Leap tools. And that's a total in sales of $24,470. And the commissions I've earned, 12,320. So these tools, this Leads Leap platform and these tools and the traffic, they work. And that's why I always recommend them to my students or anybody who asks me what they should use. And the same goes for Prosperity Marketing System. If you go onto my channel and if you go onto my playlists, you'll see 12,500 in earnings with Prosperity Marketing System. This is a $12 a month product, and I'm about to do a new video. I've earned over $13,000 with a $12 a month product, but I've been using the Leads Leap tools and traffic to generate those results, the lead capture page, the welcome page, and the email follow-up series. So I highly recommend Leads Leap because the tools and the traffic work. This is the Leads Leap training course of video tutorials that we're going to give you. There'll be a link in the description where you can just click on there and it'll take you to this page here. So every feature within Leads Leap is covered in this video tutorial series here. So how to build a list, how to create a lead capture page, how to track, how to do reviews. You can do reviews using AI. Get onto the first page of Google with those reviews. How to create a pop-up. Let me show you quickly how I created a pop-up on my blog. I think if I do, if I show you here, so here's my blog. So if I move my cursor away from my blog now, you'll see a pop-up comes up. And that's how I'm building my email list, by using that pop-up. So I created that with the Leads Leap pop-up tool. So some great features. Let's go back onto the page here. And don't get overwhelmed when you first join. Just set up a free account and go into the members area and start to use the tools as a free member. And then you'll see the value and the quality that you're going to get with this platform. And there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description, so I'm not going to make any income or product claims or guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. Currently I'm doing several new uploads every week here on the channel. If you've got any questions about Leads Leap or any comments, please put those in the comments below. And like I said before, my email address is always in the description. If you want to contact me through email, then that's the email address to reach me on. And then I'll just reply as soon as I can. And if you want any help with your affiliate marketing, just reach me on that email address as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.